Think your surfaces are clean? Think again. Many cleaners do a pretty good job of removing dirt and grime, and some even kill viruses. But how many cleaners are truly safe and continue to destroy germs, microbes, and viruses, including the coronaviruses, for weeks after cleaning? It's time for a better way to clean. It's time for MaxxClean Multi-Surface Cleaner and Sanitizer. Unlike other products, MaxxClean does not include bleach, pesticides, or other harsh chemicals commonly utilized in many household and commercial cleaning products. MaxxClean Multi-Surface Cleaner and Sanitizer is a safe, non-toxic, water-based cleaner and sanitizer, safe to use indoors or outdoors, on playgrounds, offices, schools, churches, sports surfaces, parks, and break rooms. Use it on your desks, countertops, chairs, glass, lockers, doors, handrails, and indoor-outdoor playground toys and playground or sports surfacing. In short, just about anything you touch. Sanitizing is a process in which all pathogenic microbes are reduced in numbers to levels where they are no longer harmful. Germs, viruses, and microbes live, grow, and thrive on surfaces that have a pH level between 4.8 and 9.2. While most cleaners are pH neutral, MaxxClean Multi-Surface Cleaner and Sanitizer raises the pH level to 11.4, creating an environment that germs, viruses, microbes, and biofilm simply cannot live on. Using a device that measures the number of bacteria, germs, and microorganisms that live on a specific surface in relative light units, or RLU, we measured a standard unsanitized desk that had an RLU of 1,279. After the surface was cleaned with MaxxClean, the surface measured 4. Just for reference, a score of 0 to 10 is considered sterile in operating rooms and ICUs around the world. Each 5-pound bag of MaxxClean Multi-Surface Cleaner and Sanitizer makes 544 32-ounce trigger spray bottles of cleaner, a tremendous value that can't be ignored. It is time for a better way to clean. It's time for MaxxClean Multi-Surface Cleaner and Sanitizer. Visit discountplaygroundsupply.com today or call our team at 888-760-2499.